Welcome back to Autocars Play. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting releases in Toyota's lineup, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross. This compact SUV has already made waves in the market since its introduction, and now Toyota has refined it even further to meet the demands of modern drivers. The Corolla Cross has always positioned itself as the perfect blend of practicality, affordability, and style, and the 2026 model continues to push that reputation forward. Toyota has taken lessons from both customer feedback and emerging trends in the SUV world, creating a vehicle that feels both familiar and refreshingly new from the outside. The 2026 Corolla Cross gets a sharper, more sophisticated design. The front fascia is bolder, with a larger grille and sleeker LED headlights that give it a premium presence on the road. The SUV profile remains compact, making it perfect for urban driving, yet muscular enough to fit in with the adventurous crossover segment. Toyota has added new alloy wheel designs, subtle chrome accents, and a few fresh exterior colors that really elevate its appeal. It's stylish but not flashy, designed to catch the eye without going overboard. Inside, Toyota has truly stepped up the game. The cabin feels more refined and comfortable, with higher quality materials across the dashboard, door panels, and seats. Soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and a redesigned center console create a modern, inviting atmosphere. The infotainment system has been upgraded with a larger touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's latest connected services. Rear passengers will enjoy improved legroom and better seat comfort, while cargo space remains practical enough for family trips or daily errands. Toyota clearly listened to what customers wanted and delivered a balance of technology, comfort, and usability. Under the hood, the 2026 Corolla Cross comes with multiple powertrain options. The standard model offers a fuel-efficient gasoline engine, tuned for smooth daily driving with improved fuel economy compared to previous years. But the highlight is definitely the hybrid variant, which combines Toyota's proven hybrid technology with impressive performance and outstanding efficiency. Drivers can expect responsive handling, quiet operation, and fewer stops at the gas station. All-wheel drive options make it more versatile for different road conditions, giving drivers confidence whether in the city, on highways, or light off-road adventures. When it comes to safety, Toyota never cuts corners. The 2026 Corolla Cross includes the latest Toyota Safety Sense package as standard. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking give peace of mind on every journey. Toyota has made sure that this SUV is not just about looks and comfort, but also about keeping families safe. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is the kind of SUV that perfectly represents Toyota's philosophy: reliable, efficient, stylish, and affordable. It's designed for people who want a vehicle that can handle daily life with ease but also deliver modern technology and a touch of adventure. With this update, Toyota has made the Corolla Cross more appealing than ever, and it's clear this SUV will continue to be a strong contender in its segment. Would you like me to also create a clickbait-style YouTube title, description, and hashtags for this script so your video is fully ready to post?